Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana virtual learning classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment of 8th class under the topic vectors. Okay. In that, let us see the first question. The first question is graphically a vector is represented by. Okay. Now the general notation of vector, let us say this is a vector, a small arrow on it. Okay. Now here the graphical representation of vector is a directed line segment. Directed line segment. In the mathematics, you know line segment is from one point to another point. A line from one point to another point. But here directed line segment means as vector we need direction also. So this arrow mark indicates the direction. So the directed line segment is the graphical representation of a vector. Okay. Let us go to the second question. The magnitude of vector is, okay, as we know, the vector has magnitude and a direction, but the scalar only has magnitude. So that magnitude of the vector can be called as a scalar. For example, 5 meters due north. Due north is a direction, 5 meters is a magnitude. So this 5 meters is a scalar. So the magnitude of a vector is nothing but a scalar. Okay? Right. Length of the directed line segment. Okay? Let us say I have drawn the directed line segment to represent a vector. Now if I want to see its length. Okay? Let us see its length. It's around 14 centimeters. Okay, this 14 centimeters will represent the length, and that length is nothing but the magnitude. Okay, so the length of the directed line segment, this is the directed line segment. Let us say this for the A vector. The length of it will represent the magnitude of the vector. Okay, now let us go to the fourth question. Arrowhead of the vector represents. Okay, this is the arrowhead, and this is the tail end, and this is the head end. Okay, now this arrow represents the direction, okay, in which the vector is there, like this. Okay, or else like this. So this arrow represents the direction. So sense of direction is given by the arrowhead of the vector. Next, a vector is not changed. A vector is not changed. If let us say there is a vector A. Now, it is rotated through an arbitrary angle. Let us say if I rotate it out like this. Now you see its direction changed if I am rotating. Okay. If I multiply with ordinary scalar, multiply, then what happens? Its magnitude increases, right? So it will be like this. Its magnitude will be increases. So A bar dash or else A1 bar. It will be A1 vector, not A vector. Cross multiplied with a unit vector. If it is cross multiplied with a unit vector, it might change its direction from, if I cross multiply I cap into J cap, then I'll get K cap. Okay, so its direction might be changing. So what I do is, if I slide it parallel, like this, parallel. If I slide it parallel, then what happens? It is remaining same. The direction is also same. Length is also same. So a vector is not changed if it slides parallel to itself. Okay? Let us go to the next question. Which of the following is not a scalar? For the scalar, we need only magnitude. 20 kg is a magnitude. 15 meters is a magnitude. 40 seconds is also a magnitude. But you see due north. Due north is a direction also given. So it is not a scalar, it is a vector. Okay. So 13 meters due north is not a scalar. Okay students, right? This is what about our synopsis is, our worksheet assignment. Let us do it in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.